Hey my beautiful ladies out there, I wanted to introduce y'all to this beautiful ombre burmese curly hair by QVR. I love that this hair is true to length and the texture of this hair. In today's video, I am using 5 packs of the feather crochet hair TB130, and as you can see, it is on a string so that hair won't get everywhere, and that is what I love. This hair is very durable, bouncy, flexible, and I love the elasticity of this hair. I am going to show you how to do the miracle knots, but in the feed-in method way. Today's style only took 3 hours, and when I tell y'all it was very convenient and very fast, I really love that they are making this hair so much more easier for us to use. And I love the fact that you can always take this hair out, wash it, and you can also reuse it. This is my first time doing the miracle knots in color, and I love the fact that this hair is ombre to actually match the color of her braid, and it gives color on the end. I know the ladies in the comments have been asking for color, but here you can find color on QVR site, and you can purchase your ombre hair there. They have many different colors that you can choose from. So here's where I pre-parted her hair. I am going to do the miracle knots around the perimeter of this, and on the middle part we are going to do miracle knots in crochet style. So I went in and I braided both sides down to keep the hair out the way, because you don't want to have the hair everywhere. It keeps it more uniform. So once you do that, I'll go in and do a full circle in the middle of braiding her hair down with a piece of braiding hair. You always want to use braiding hair because that makes the braid more firm and sturdy, and it causes less tension on her hair. You can use another braid method in the middle if you would like, but this is more convenient and this is more faster. So once you do that, you want to go in with your needle and sew down the leg that's hanging from the hair, which is that piece right there, as you can see, that's hanging. So all I did was go in and sew it down really good so that it doesn't come loose. And be very cautious whenever you're using your needle, because you don't want to stick your client's scalp or either stick your finger and cause any bleeding. So once that was done, I went in and I just parted around my perimeter. I went in and I did the miracle knots around the perimeter. As you can see in this video, I'm going to let you watch this video so you can see how I installed the miracle knots, and I did it the feed-in way. You can also do it by braiding the client's hair all the way down first and sticking your crochet needle through the plait and tying it in a knot. But this way is a more safer way because her hair is much finer. Oh yeah, and I also went in with my Nairobi mousse and I curled the ends of her hair to let her hair blend in with the Burmese curly. Whenever I take the rods out, her hair will blend in with the Burmese curly because I didn't want her ends to be straight. So ladies, I'm going to let you watch this video on how I installed the miracle knots on the middle part of her hair, and you're going to absolutely love this method because, like I said, this is very quick, very convenient, and the color, y'all, is just giving everything. So don't forget to purchase this hair. I really appreciate you ladies watching this video, and don't forget to follow QVR if you're not following them already for the latest trends on this hair. They have many different hair textures and hair types and hair colors that you can choose from. And also don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.